What's up, y'all? It's D.
And Keys.
And we are back with another video. So today, as you can tell by the title, we're about to go ahead and do our snack crate. She didn't put it
Wait,
up.
y'all, honestly, what really just tripped me out, this is Deanna's snack crate, right? They put Sir Deanna Macmillan on the... That's what was tricking me. That's what was tripping me out right now. Sir Deanna.
What?
Like, that... Anyways, y'all,
we're just
like...
now seeing that. We've had it for like a couple of days or so. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get started with this video. We don't know what we have yet.
Oh, we gotta get something to get this.
Okay. You wanna...
No. I think I got something. Let's see if this works.
Okay, so let's go ahead and...
Hold up, y'all. Before you do anything, like, comment, subscribe. Hold up. You forgot the other one.
Like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you turn on your post notifications.
Okay, you got it. Okay.
Video. I'm super stoked. This is so exciting.
I hope it's something that I love.
I really hope.
Wait, is this my vibe or is not my vibe? We're gonna see how well you know me.
I don't know. You haven't really said nothing about this place, really.
All right.
So.
Oh, I'm so nervous. It's so nerve-wracking every single time.
So I'm revealing this to Keys.
All right.
So.
Oh my God! Please be something good.
Ready?
Oh, I'm scared. Don't get Thailand.
Ready?
We just had Korea the last time.
Go! The UK!
Oh,
the UK.
Okay, I can do this.
That's something she really haven't really talked about like that.
No, but it's something I can deal with.
They give us stickers and our snack crate sticker. I mean, yeah.
You weird, bro.
Wow. So, if you guys are from the UK, let us know if these are the snacks that you guys see in your everyday life, you know. Just like we see Doritos, stuff like that.
Hold on. I got a question. What's your favorite snack?
For me?
Like, if you go into the grocery store, you guys too that's watching this video, what's your favorite snack?
Foods.
Oh, you like the popcorn? What's my favorite food? I really eat single thing, so it's hard to say.
Yeah, I don't know what's hers. But let's go ahead and get into the video. Because I'm very anxious. I don't know if you guys can see, hopefully.
Yep, they can see that.
This is the first thing we're going to try, so go ahead and let us know what it is.
Nando's Peri Peri Chicken Grooves. These chips are flavored with peri peri. These chips are flavored with peri peri, a legendary pepper and citrus-based sauce, and savory roasted chicken. Ridiculously good.
Ridiculously good.
I hope it's that fire too.
Oh, it smells good. Here, take one. How come we don't have chicken chips?
They just give us noodles over here.
Alright, let's go.
This don't smell good.
It does. 1, 2, 3.
Why so hard? I'm telling you, it's exactly like ramen. It tastes like the chicken ramen to me.
It's not bad.
They're kind of hard to me though.
Oh, that kettle cook.
Oh. I think they said that's healthier. Kettle cook. What would you rate that?
I'm gonna give you a 10. They really don't taste like chicken. They taste like a peppery spice.
I would probably give them like I would give it a 6. I mean, it's not the worst I had, but it's not my favorite either.
Oh my God, I don't know if I'm gonna like these.
What are those called, babe?
Mega Monster Munch. Down there.
All right. Monster Munch. Crispy monster paw shaped corn. Wait, what? Crispy monster paw shaped corn snacks. Why do you do that when I'm reading?
Okay.
Infused with zesty flavor. We've included either pickle. What color we got first?
I don't know.
We've included pickled onion, flaming hot, or roast beef. Which one is it, Deanna?
Roast beef.
You lying?
We got roast beef.
Come on, Snack Crate.
I don't think I can do it. Here. I don't think I can do it.
What in the boo-boo blaster? This jump about to be
A dub, for real. Let's try.
It stink too. It smell like the Office Max tape.
Oh my god. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. I'm not putting this whole thing in my mouth.
I did it for them. Not bad, but it's kind of weird tasting. Not something that I'm used to eating, most definitely. How is it to you?
It's okay. It's not what I thought it would be, but I wouldn't eat this. It's okay. Alright. So we have these two.
What are those called?
These are called bacon flavored fries.
Oh my god.
Here's one in your.
Oh, babe. Alright. A mainstays in pubs around the UK, these crunchy, savory snacks are perfect with a drink. How you gonna automatically wait? When they mean a drink, is that like an alcoholic beverage or?
I don't know.
All right, I'm not gonna get too deep in it. Enjoy our favorite bacon flavor.
All right, let's try.
I think I gotta let you go taste this first.
I don't like.
Deanna, let me know. Wait a minute. Let me know right now. Do I need to?
Oh hell no. Oh hell.
If I don't even need to open this one, let me know.
No.
Keep it closed. I'm so scared.
Just open it. Just open it.
What in the Golden Grams?
No, what in the bacon? That's what it looks like. Bacon.
It look like Golden Grams to me.
Bacon.
I know. I see that now.
Oh my god. Okay, let's try.
1, 2, 3.
This tastes like
No bacon.
Bugles.
I taste a cheeseburger.
I don't like these. I'm sorry. I don't like these. I'm sorry. I am so sorry. I don't like them.
I do. I like these.
No. Hell no.
These good. Alright.
I like those chicken ones. Alright. So, let's go with West Bams. Wham Bams. Wham Bams. Wham Bams.
Wham original bar. This chewy.
No. Wham
You said what?
Bams.
Alright. Damn.
It looks like this.
Sometimes they don't.
Let me see.
It was ready to fuss.
Okay, well they don't. It's a jelly bean. So Wham Bams is basically jelly beans, so we'll try them.
You know what? We're supposed to be eating this.
Yeah, but oh my god.
What it smell like?
If it's not on the list, I don't know if I want to eat it. They smell like.
Nah, we not eating.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna eat it. I'm sorry. This is the first time we ever.
You crazy. Let's get away from our face.
Okay, so we'll try this. What was on the list?
Okay, can I talk now? Because last time you cut me off. Wham! Original bar. This chewy taffy bar is packed full of tangy, fizzy flavors with the added punch of sour crystals in every bite.
Alright, so I'll take my piece first.
You took a piece that quick? Sheesh. Wait, this looks like a Laffy Taffy. Sorry, y'all. That's what the packaging looks like. And this is what it looks like. That's good. Tastes a little fruity to me.
I don't really like it.
Y'all, a quick story right quick. My dentist always told me stuff that's chewy, like this taffy, those are the worst thing for your teeth. So yeah, you can't eat those. I'm not a taffy person either.
I don't really like them. Okay, so we'll try these shoes.
All right. These are called Maynard's Bassett. Maynard's Bassett Juicy Chews. Bite-sized fruit-flavored chews with a burst of liquid fruit in the center.
Yeah, you're closer. Maybe we should switch roles.
We traded places. Why do I have to get white? Like, what? And they said it's supposed to be a burst of liquid fruit in the middle.
All right, let's try.
What does that mean?
Oh, I see it. You can see it. It's too hard.
Honestly,
No,
that look like
you.
poop.
No, thank you. If you're British, I believe.
Or from the UK, we don't mean
from
anything.
the UK. We don't mean anything by it. It's just our taste buds and what we like. Because I'm a very picky eater. And if this isn't what you guys, have in your country, let us know. Comment down below. Because if it's so, this is the second time we've heard something.
I think the people, what was it? The South Africa one that we got?
It was Canada, I think.
It was Canada. Somebody said
we don't have that here.
Yeah, that's crazy. And that made me feel like somebody just threw some extra in our box and printed it.
That's true. All right, so we're going to check these. Sour Millions.
Millions Sour Strawberry. These tiny chew candies are packed with strawberry flavor with an intense sour kick in every bite.
I think it was so bad.
Y'all, Deanna be ready on these, bruh.
These aren't bad.
What in the nerves?
Or it's chewy. Or it's chewy. You're not that soury.
For me, it was. I don't eat that much candy. That's a good idea for nerds too. That's a good idea for nerds to turn the rest of it into like a little chewy
They do
thing.
razzles, I think.
Excuse me.
Why our tree look like skinny? I'll give it a 7. It's not bad at all.
I would give it an 8.
Okay. It's just not digesting, so. Alright, let's try something chocolatey. Damn it. Alright.
What?
Alright, so crunchy, Cadbury Crunchy.
Uh-oh, Cadbury. Since 1929, Crunchy has been a UK favorite. Features a golden honeycomb center surrounded by delicious Cadbury milk chocolate.
I've never really had honeycomb like that, so here. I think it's 2 of them in here. not bad.
Honey and chocolate do not taste good to me.
The chocolate tastes better. I don't know.
That was a 0 for me.
Yeah. Okay. So. What is so funny?
You wildin'. You didn't even give them a number. What was yours for that?
I give it a 9. I just won't eat it. It's good.
What?
So this is called Cadbury Twirl.
This is the Kingdom War. Twirl.
Twirl. Oh, are these Kit Kats?
All right, y'all. I had to grab my steak before I talk. Milk chocolate fingers. Wait, what?
Okay.
Milk chocolate fingers flake, then roll with a smooth chocolate covering. It's a swirly chocolate burst in every bite. How is it? Babe, say something.
It's just chocolate.
Very chocolatey. Kind of reminds me of a crunch bar without the crunchy pieces, but the chocolate consistency tastes the same. I would give that a 10. It was honestly good.
I'll give it a 10 too. It was good. Just chocolatey.
Yeah.
All right. Double Decker.
Double Decker. Cadbury Double Decker. This 2-layer chocolate bar has crispy
Nougat.
Has crispy cereal bits on the bottom and creamy nougat on the top. How you know it said nougat?
Because it was on the wrapper.
You go first this time. I can't do it. Back in the day when I was younger, I used to love Three Musketeers, but...
What is it called? Yeah. This is good. You didn't even have the crisp. No.
I don't like all this chocolate. My taste buds are changing.
It's not bad.
It's not bad. It's just I'm not in the mood for
Same.
chocolate. I like the other chocolatey thing though. For my favorite chocolate out of this one.
It was good. Pick it on.
Y'all put in the comments below too. Do you prefer fruity foods or chocolates for snacks?
Chocolate.
Fruity. This is called Roundtree's Fruit Gums. Deliciously fruity gummy features the flavors of black currant. What is a black currant? What's a black currant? Strawberry, lemon, lime, and orange. What's the word again?
Black currant.
Black. The black currant is a woody shrub in the family, grown for its berries. It's native to temperate parts of Central America and Northern Europe and Northern Asia, where it prefers damp, fertile soils. Y'all, I didn't know that. I guess I'm tasting that flavor. Wait, which color do you have? You probably got...
I always love yellow.
Dang, it's so hard. Get out. Ugh. This is what they look like.
I got the yellow one.
I'm eating the red. Ready?
I can't write it.
Bruh, what?
Please remind me of something.
ASMR.
They okay. They are okay.
Alright.
They are okay. Okay, so caramel. Are these under the same ones?
Yep.
Tonics.
Show them.
Are you sure?
Show them what we got.
You don't even know if they're under the
It's
same
right
one?
here. Damn, y'all, she be getting on me for no reason. Like, leave me alone. I know what I'm doing.
Here.
All right, show them.
Ooh, they have different ones.
Show them what it looks like. We're gonna taste all three, right?
Yeah. So the first one we're gonna taste. Go ahead.
Tonics. This iconic Scottish candy features layers of wafer dipped in chocolate. We've included caramel log, caramel chocolate, or dark chocolate.
Okay.
I want to taste dark chocolate first.
Okay, let's try dark chocolate.
That's the most bitter piece, so I want that first. I still got that gummy stuff in my mouth, too. It's okay. It's okay. It's not bad.
Okay.
Which one you got
This
now?
one is the milk chocolate covering.
All right.
It tastes the same. It's milk chocolate and
Why didn't they just put like a...
this one just says caramel, munchy caramel.
It probably won't taste the same with just a little coating on the top.
You crazy. You got some type of crust.
Is this your foot?
Yeah.
Oh my god! No, I don't want to do that one. Ew. What the hell?
Oh, you can't do that. It's munchy caramel.
Why does it have to have stuff?
You have to taste it. That's not fair. You have to taste. What's wrong?
I don't like this consistency.
You have to. You're not tasting. That's not fair. That's not fair.
Are you sure it's not no coconut in this?
No, it only said munchy caramel. What the fuck? It didn't say coconut. It did not say coconut. It did not say coconut. Oh, but it smells like it. Okay, I knew it was coconut. All right. We tasted this, right? Yeah. Punchy. All right. Stop.
Why would you do that? Why would
So
you
this
make me eat
next one
coconut?
is called Lion.
For me.
For the Leos. Lion for the Leos.
Alright.
Lion bar.
Hold up. Nestle Lion Bar. This candy bar features crisp wafers covered in caramel, rolled in Rice Crisps, then dipped in milk chocolate. A decadent treat worthy of royalty.
Oh, did I show y'all? Yeah.
No, you didn't, probably.
Here.
Ew! Ew!
Come on.
Nah, bro, you gotta break that. Nah, you wildin'. I'm not eating that like that. What's the bumps on the top? Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. Alright, we're gonna go off here. I still got that coconut in my freaking mouth. I can't stand coconut.
No. Excuse you.
I'm pissed. I taste coconut. It irritates my gut.
You have to try
It looks even more nasty.
That's why you should have went first. Here.
Let me bite off the other side.
No,
I want to bite off the other side.
It's like Nestle's Crunch.
You gotta break. Stop.
Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. That's not fair. You're not. Y'all, she did not eat it. She only had a side. You lying. Stop. Eat it. Well, that's all, folks.
She was doing too much.
Who?
You.
Well, that's all. And like we always tell you guys a little bit about United Kingdom. You go first, V.
Nah, you can read it because I did the snacks.
Every day, people drink 165 million cups of tea in the UK. And then the accent of the UK changes noticeably, right? Noticeably every 25 miles. And the Big Ben is not a clock, it's a bell. No portrait was ever painted of William Shakespeare when he was alive.
Wow.
Wait, what does that mean?
Yo, that means they basically teaching us lies, like low key. Cause that ain't the story that we got in school. Or maybe they left out that chapter. Yeah. We're going to have to do some research on that one.
I had to do some research on that one.
Hey, if y'all know about that in the comments, just put it below and we're going to read it and respond to y'all.
Yes, and if you guys enjoyed this video like you guys always do, make sure you give us a thumbs up. And if we have any UK people in our comments and you're from the UK or you even
subscribe to our channel too.
Make sure you
we might
subscribe
get UK
to our
again.
channel, like this video, and make sure you give us some love. It's Christmas time.
Ooh, give us some love.
It's Christmas
give us
time.
some love. Hey.
Give us some love. I'm kidding. All right, y'all. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that notification bell. More videos to come. Thank you for supporting, and we out. Peace.